we're going to show you how to assemble the blade and then put the pivot bracket together. So right now you can see there is a 4-blader, 64-inch, already assembled. Thing I want to point out is take a look at our blade. There's a tab, extended tab with a hole in it. Those should all be lined up in the exact same direction when you put the blade together. And then from the front side, you're going to put a self-tapping screw in each one of those tabs. The rest is pretty straightforward. Where the blade joins, you're going to put a nut and bolt, and on the end cap. Now as you see, this is 4 blades. If it was 3 blade, obviously you would have 3 blades and only 1 blade channel on the top and 1 blade channel on the bottom. Alright, now we're going to come to the pivot bracket. We've already got one side assembled. We have a 1/2-inch bolt with a washer. Inside we have a nylon spacer, and then we have the nut. So Ken's going to go ahead and do this side. This just makes it easier when you do it separately off of the blade. Notice that the ends of the rails are pointed outward. This is the top blade, so it's pointing away. And this is the bottom pointing away, so both sets are pointing away. You fully tighten it, and then when you get it fully tightened, back it off a 1/4 turn so you get some nice movement. Okay. He's going to bring that over and he's going to put it in the center of the blade. So if you only have 1 blade channel, you're going to go in the center. In this case, we have 2 sets of blade channels. He's going to pop it right here. The top plate goes on the outside of the rail. Okay, the outside of the rail. The bottom plate is going to go on the inside of the rail. And that's about it. Go ahead and finish doing the 4 bolts on the top and then 4 bolts on the bottom. Tighten them real secure and you're good to go. And obviously this is now the top of the blade because of the label, and the serial number will be located on the bottom of that. I think I didn't mention this, but notice the blade channels. When you're putting the blade together, the tall side of the blade channels is on the inside. Ken, did I miss anything?
Nope, I think you got it.
Alright. Enjoy. If you have any questions, feel free to call us, 888-662-PLOW. Enjoy the Nordic Plow.